It's me, Burps Magoo. Welcome to a burping contest. Beside me, I have our special guest star judge, Anessa Frantowski. People know what they like. Already impressing the judge before the game. Round one, Jen Murphy.
I really liked the volume on that. I'm gonna go ahead. First burp of the day. We're giving that a 6.
Uh-oh. Oh. Wow, great burp and great tits. Like, amazing.
Okay. You know, I know some people might think the pulling down the top was an act of desperation, but you also gave me some great volume. I'm giving that one a 7.
Oh.
A little bit barfy. I'm giving that one a 6.7. Ooh, a little bonus.
Oh. The most burps you can do in 20 seconds, and go.
I think that last one was throw up.
Okay.
That's gonna be our last burp.
Oh, bonus burps. Christina, you trailed, or
you know, this is the thing with the burpers is you can't get a word in edgewise. Christina, you have won the burp competition.
Okay. Yeah.